It's extremely tragic. The Kerala Wayanad tragedy, that landslide tragedy, 89 people are dead so far. The death toll has mounted. That's the big breaking news coming in. Pinky, my colleague, joining us live. Pinky, the death toll in the tragedy is mounting. It's reached 89 now. Obviously, extremely disheartening news. What are the authorities saying? Are these numbers expected to rise or not? What are the latest, rescue and relief operations which are underway at the moment?
Well, that's a very tragic part that the rescue teams are continuously saying that the numbers may increase of the death toll, in fact, and right now the latest what we get to hear from the rescue teams is that 89 people have lost their life in this tragic massive landslide that has happened in the early morning today, and clearly what we see is 123 people are injured and have been admitted in various hospitals. We are currently driving towards the location where we'll be bringing you all the live visuals of this particular tragedy from the spot. We have right now entered inside the Wayanad and crossing Sultan Bathery, as you see, and Times Now will be bringing you all the latest visuals from the spot. And clearly Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, every particular agencies have been called in for this rescue operation. SDRF, NDRF teams and also the local rescue teams are completely into this rescue work. Also, let me tell you that the weather update is red alert right now for the next 24 hours. That is actually causing trouble for this rescue teams, as well as continuous rains is in fact halting the rescue work as well. But clearly the rescue teams are into this rescue work, and they are assuring that whatever they can do before the sunset, they are trying their best to bring out those people who are trapped inside. But even now what we hear from the ground zero is that more than 100 people are still trapped inside this debris, is what we are getting to hear. And clearly this is one of the massive landslide and massive tragedy that has happened in Kerala in the few years, if you see. Back to you.